the President of the National Board of the Fiji Red Cross Society, Ms. Kathy Guam, members of the National Board of Fiji Red Cross, the Director General of Fiji Red Cross, Philip Nainovo, Your Excellencies, the Ambassadors and High Commissioners, and members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Commissioner Central, the honorary members of the Fiji Red Cross, senior officers of government departments, leaders and representatives of non-government organizations, leaders and representatives of business organizations, Red Cross branch volunteers and staff, friends of Fiji Red Cross, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Lisa Mbulabinaka, Salam Alaikum, Namaste. Thank you all for taking the time to join us today for the official launch of the Fiji Red Cross Society's Strategic Plan 2015 to 2019. My association with the Fiji Red Cross goes back almost 3 decades, as I had served as a national board member from 1983 to 84, and then as vice president from 85 through to 1992. Since then, I have continued to follow the activities of the Fiji Red Cross closely over the years, and as the HIV/AIDS ambassador for Fiji, I am already closely linked to the work that they do in the area of health and care. For the record, in March 2010, I had the honor of launching the Society's strategic plan for 2010 to 2014. And in May 2012, I was further honored to be even more closely associated with the Society when I was invited to become a patron, which I readily accepted. As you can see, Fiji Red Cross and its work has been and will always be a passion for me. I was therefore delighted to accept the invitation to launch the Fiji Red Cross Society Strategic Plan 2015-2019 today, and to again be part of the Society's plans for the next 5 years, as I had been over the last 5 years. The Society has done tremendous work over the last 5 years, and we are proud of its achievements, especially in the area of disaster response. Today's launch of the Fiji Red Cross Strategic Plan for 2015-2019 will take our work to a new and exciting stage. The new strategic plan builds on the framework of the previous plan to make what has been done well done even better over the next 5 years. The strategic plan was developed through an extensive consultation with our governance, branch volunteers, staff, partners, and external stakeholders. It captures the local, regional, and international trends and the emerging issues in the provision of humanitarian services. The strategic plan clearly defines the new vision, mission, core values, and commitment that the Society will pursue over the next 5 years. The new motto, quote, "Always there," unquote, defines the Society's commitment to communities and partners. It means that once a commitment is made to enter a community, we will never leave that community, and we will be always there. There are three key goals which the strategic plan encompasses that make up the three pillars of the Fiji Red Cross Strategy House. Strategic Goal 2 and the central pillar of the plan focuses on building a strong Fiji Red Cross society. It recognizes the fact that the strength of the society will be in having strong ethical governance together with good management and leadership. I acknowledge that the society needs to look after its most important resource, its people, its volunteers and staff, and design an organizational structure that will strengthen the branches to deliver the strategic plan. It identifies the need to build a physical presence around Fiji, a strategic infrastructure that will support its people and operations. All these need to be sustained by a strong financial base. This strong financial base cannot be built without your support. A strong Fiji Red Cross Society is important for Fiji and is key to the society's ability to deliver its strategic plan. Strategic Goal 1 focuses on strengthening and building resilient Fijian communities while building the society's internal capacity to respond to the needs of all those made vulnerable during times of disaster and emergency. Climate change disaster in our region will increase in severity and frequency. This goal focuses on 5 key outcomes that we believe will build resilient communities. They are disaster risk reduction and disaster response, health and care, youth, first aid, safety, and integration. To be resilient, communities and individuals need to understand the importance of preparing for disaster, that the potential risks are identified and steps taken to mitigate them. The importance of good health is also understood. Health risks are identified and commitments are made by all to promote healthy lifestyle. We understand that our youth are the future of our country and make up more than 70% of our volunteers. We want to develop our youth to be outstanding humanitarian citizens of Fiji. Youth volunteers need to understand and work according to our 7 fundamental principles, our values and commitment, and to teach these values to their peers. Our desire is to equip our youth volunteers with new skills and knowledge that make them employable if they are unemployed and be promotable if they are already employed. Youth volunteers will be skilled, upstanding citizens who undertake humanitarian work within their own communities. As the premier provider of first aid training in Fiji, our goal is to train as many people as possible to be first aiders, to raise safety awareness through safety campaigns, and to teach life skills such as swimming and looking after little children. It is also important that the society integrates these programs into the communities, to provide them with the full portfolio of programs which are identified through assessment as required by the community. In fact, this is our strength. It is our ability to provide a full range of programs and services, identify or design the most suitable portfolio of programs and implement them in the community. Our third and final strategic goal focuses on strengthening our humanitarian influence and advocating for support for our work in Fiji, the region, and the world. The Fiji Red Cross Society is auxiliary to the public authorities, and we will focus on strengthening this advocacy role to support our government in building resilient communities. We will continue to promote the understanding of international humanitarian law, IHL, the Geneva Conventions and its associated protocols to our uniformed forces and our communities. In November 2013, at the General Assembly of the International Red Cross, the Fiji Red Cross Society was elected by the Assembly from 189 national societies to be a member of the governing board of the International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, the IFRC. This was a great privilege and honor to be elected from among the stronger and more powerful national societies, and to be one of the 5 national societies representing the Asia-Pacific region in the 23-member governing board of the IFRC. The Red Cross is many things to many people. A sign of hope, a symbol of protection, a light in the darkness, a shoulder to lean on, a friend to count on. In essence, the Red Cross is about people. People working together to mobilize the power of humanity. How wonderful it is that we can bring light to someone's darkness in their time of need. I urge all present here today, government, the business community, partners, volunteers, staff, and indeed all our stakeholders to support the work of the Fiji Red Cross Society in the implementation of this plan. For indeed, if we succeed, and succeed we must, Fiji will have stronger, more resilient communities. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure and honor, on behalf of the volunteers, staff, finance, and youth commissions, honorary members, and the National Board, to present to you the Fiji Red Cross Society's Strategic Plan 2015 to 2019. May God bless the Fiji Red Cross. Thank you. Vinaka Vakalebu. Shukriya. Bahut. Dynavad. France, eh? Yeah. This one too?
Yeah, from France. This unit from France.
Okay.
So how much water can you clean?
Can clean about 20,000 liters in a minute.
In a minute. So 20,000 waters of it is to be cleaned in 1 minute. So you put dirty water, it comes out drinking water.
This is a new program we have now for school students of People Saver.
Okay. Good, good.